There are a few reasons the IRS will seize your tax refund. The main ones being unpaid federal tax, unpaid state tax, unpaid child support, and unpaid student loan debt. Generally speaking, even if you work out some payment arrangement with the IRS for taxes you owe, they'll still keep your tax refund. Which isn't always a bad thing, as you can adjust your withholding at the beginning of the year to make sure you don't over-withhold, leaving little or no tax return to be seized. But that doesn't always work if you're receiving an earned income tax credit or other type of refundable credit. The only way to completely prevent the IRS from seizing a tax refund is to have a settlement accepted or what's called an offer and compromise accepted by the IRS. For a lot of people, they don't even know they owe tax debt. That's because there was some kind of audit which the taxpayer never received notification of, and all of a sudden the IRS has assessed taxes, penalties, and interest, and is now legally entitled to keep your refunds. In those cases, we might look at the source of the audit and see if it can be reopened or reversed. With other types of debt, to prevent the IRS from seizing your refund, you'll need to contact the issuing entity and work out an agreement. For child support, you'll need to get current with any arrears or work out an agreement. That may require a family law attorney to modify the child support order or a lump sum payment to get you caught up. For student loan debt, there are certain legal rights you have which will take your student loans out of default and put you in good standing. Those rights are complex, and if you're dealing with a large balance, best left to an expert. One that I refer clients to is a gentleman by the name of Stanley Love Tate of Tate Law. I'll link his information below. And state tax debt may also require expert intervention depending on the type of tax and the amount owed. But for some people, the answer may just be to let the IRS keep the refunds year after year with the hope of getting out of those kinds of debt. But there are generally few situations where that's a wise decision, especially as penalties and interest continue to pile on. Give thought to the type of problem you have and act accordingly is my advice.